how to add custom location on Snapchat. So if you want to add a custom location or a fake location on Snapchat, then first of all, open up your Snapchat application, and then after opening, now you can simply take a snap. So you have to make sure that your location is turned on, and after turning on your location, you have to simply open up your Snapchat, and then you have to take a snap. And now you can go to the stickers icon, which is on the upper right corner on the third option, and then if you simply go to location, which is on the third option, and here you will have a search bar. You can simply tap and search for a place, or you can also go to suggest a place, which is on the middle of your screen, and then here you have to enter the name of the place, and then you have to tap to add a category, and after that you can add a street number, and then flat, floor, your town or city or country, postcode, your phone number or the website, or you can also add some photos. And after writing this information, you can simply tap on submit, which is on the bottom of your screen, and after submitting you can add that particular location to your snaps. So that's it. This was the only way to add a custom location to your snaps, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.